Hello friends, welcome back to I Made Me Think, and let us continue our discussion on machine learning related Python programming. And in this session the agenda is to understand basic statistical terms and their calculation using Python programming. So I am using this Spider IDE which comes inbuilt with Python 3.6 on my Ubuntu system. So let's get started. So I will be demonstrating it using NumPy library in Python, which is a very popular library for all numerical and matrix related calculations operations. So let's get started. So if I want to execute this code, just select the snippet of the code and control enter or press this key. So array extreme. So this is how I have defined this particular array. Now let's just first run this code, snippet of the code, control enter and see the output. So np.ptp method will give difference between maximum and minimum. So now ptp this entire array, so the difference is 18. Now if you see this array, the maximum is 15 and the minimum value is -3. So difference between -3 and plus 15 is 18. Now difference again ptp I want to have a difference between this axis 0, so it will give the difference of vertical axis. So difference between vertical axis, so 12 minus 3 is 9, again 13 minus -1 is 14. So all individual vertical axis it will give the max and minimum difference. Again axis equal to 1 means horizontal, so the highest and lowest difference between highest and lowest, it will give this details. Now let's run this code and see the output. And p percentile, so here we can get the percentile. So percentile of sum of given range of values. So here it is -1.5 on vertical axis and on horizontal axis. This is the percentile calculation. Let's also run another set of code. So mean value, so np.mean mean is the average of the array on which the method will be called. So entire array on axis 0 and on axis 1. So entire array mean value is this. On particular vertical columns, the average value is this. Particular rows average value is this. Next let's just clear it. Okay, so mean, and after this, so median, so again we can do it using np.median and almost similar values, similar calculation. Median is basically the midpoint calculation for a given array. So again entire array axis 0 and axis 1. Let's just clear it. Let us run this code, the next code. So average, so you can get average or standard deviation or variance. So this is how you can call the different methods and get the array. Again you can do it for single column or single row or particular column or row. So now let's first clear it and let us define another array. So this is matrix. This is a matrix of 4 by 4, and just I'm printing this based on this method which I have declared earlier. So basically it will print each and individual element. Now let us run this code. So a min, so basically it will give you the minimum value of the entire array. So entire -3 is the most negative value. Then next one is a min of vertical axis, then control enter, a min of horizontal axis, and then uh, just index of the sorted element. So if I run this arg min, so basically it will give you the indexes of where is the most minimum element or the most maximum element, etc. Again, you can call it on vertical axis or horizontal axis as per requirement. Now this is the scipy library, which is also one of the also additional popular library apart from numpy for all machine learning related programming. So let's just run this code and see. So I'm just importing stats. So stats is the library, is a method, group of methods from scipy library. So this is the numpy 2D array for uh, programming, and then stats dot describe and this. So basically when you call this method, this describe method will give you all the details of this particular array, numpy array. So we will get knobs, min max, mean, uh, variance, again column wise, row wise, skewness, kurtosis. These different values are available in one shot. So that is also one of the quick way to get all the details. So let's continue next session on uh, uh, plotting different graphs on x and y axis, which is also considered as one of the very popular activity when you do machine learning related programming. So let's continue in the next session. So if you have any comments, please put it in the comment section, and please like, comment and share my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.